So the month of Ramadan begins tomorrow, or it has already begun today depending on when I upload this and when you watch it. So that means a lot of people around the world are going to be fasting for the next 30 days. So that's no food and no water during the daylight hours for the next 30 days. And as a byproduct of all this fasting, there's a tendency to sleep during the daytime and then stay awake in the night and binge eat. And I've been guilty of doing this myself a lot of the times during Ramadan. And just look at Ramadan memes. That's what it's all about. So clearly it's a problem that many people face. And as a way to tackle this problem, I've decided to do 100 push-ups and 50 pull-ups along with a 5-kilometer run in addition to my daily workouts for the next 30 days. So that's 3,000 push-ups, 1,500 pull-ups and 150 kilometers over the next 30 days. I'm doing this for health and in order to build mental and physical toughness, and also as a way to build a habit, a routine that I can stick to not only for these 30 days but also over a longer period of time, possibly in my day-to-day life. I think more than the pull-ups and push-ups and the runs, the adherence to this kind of routine is going to be difficult, the consistency to maintain this every single day, and I think building that discipline will also carry over to other things that I do in my life. And I also encourage everyone watching this to do something, just have a little bit of movement throughout the day during this Ramadan as a way to keep our routines intact. Of course, for a lot of people, 100 push-ups and 50 pull-ups a day along with a 5-kilometer run must seem very less, and for some it may be too much. But the point is to just push yourself physically and mentally. And injury is something that we want to avoid. We don't want to go to hospitals and possibly stall our progress due to injury, because if you're injured, how are you going to be consistent? And I've been wanting to do something like this for a very long time. I follow people like David Goggins, Jocko Willink, Lex Fridman, Joe Rogan and Cameron Hanes, all of these who do challenges like these and really push themselves and toughen themselves physically and mentally. And I feel that Ramadan is just the perfect opportunity to try something like this. So of course, now that I've said it, I've put it out there, there is an infinite incentive for me to follow through on what I'm saying. And of course, I'll try to keep my progress updated on Instagram every other day or every few days, and I might just collect all of the videos and make a final video halfway or towards the end of these 30 days. So try it. I encourage everyone to try and implement this for the next 30 days. Hopefully it sticks for a longer period of time, and this habit also has a decent carryover towards other things in life and overall betters my health and your health if you're trying it. Alright, if you're watching this and it's Ramadan already, Ramadan Kareem, take care and have a blessed Ramadan.